Today I'll be showing you all the Easter eggs that Scratch added for April Fool's Day 2022. So let's just get right into it. The first thing I'm going to show you is this button up here called Mode. And we've got a couple of modes here, so we're just going to try them out. The first one is called Saturday Mode. And as you can see, the logo also changed. And now when we go to the events, we've got the cat blocks back. As some of you might know, the cat blocks have been a regular event for the April Fool's Days in Scratch since 2 years now. And yeah, they're pretty cute. But let's just move on to the next mode, and this one is called the 90s mode. As you can see, all the colors have changed, even my profile picture. We've got like a 90s style background, and even the logo changed. And the logo is looking pretty good. Okay, the next mode is called the old timey mode. And this just looks like one of those old animations, you know, the ones with the Disney's ones, and yeah. The next one is called the Prehistoric mode, and you've got a stick with fire and the rest is dark. And you can navigate with the stick with fire. You can still get blocks, but it's really hard to code in here. Okay, moving on to the main page here. If you search upside down, you can see all the search results have been flipped upside down. And that looks pretty cool, but also very weird. Like, just look at this one. Well, the next thing we're going to search is rainbow. And it's just shining the colors of the rainbow right now. And even the load more button is doing that. And another thing you can notice is the semicolon. That's a reference to an old Scratch glitch. These next two have the same results, so time travel and April Fools. By both of them you get the old-timey effect, like by the editor. Okay, so this next one is not on the Scratch website but on the Scratch Wiki. And as you can see, it says this page has been modified for April Fool's Day. But it's not only been lightly modified. Everything, literally everything is different. And Scratch Cat is the enforcer of the Scratch scheme, who will scratch anyone who doesn't do as they are told. They also like lasagna and fish, and their spare time they might chase bugs. So as you can see, everything is now a joke on this. And yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like, the subscribe, and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. Bye!